Welcome to Complete K-12 Essentials. First grade vocabulary. Sight words, list 7. Also, Bob came to the party and Sue was also with him. Best. Sue is the best speller in our class. By. Bob is by the wagon. Did. Bob did his homework before dinner. First. Sue was first in line today. Going. Bob is going to Disney World next week. House. The house on the corner is really nice. Like. Bob and I like candy. New. Our new car has a cool stereo. Part. Sue is part of the marching band. Right. Bob is right-handed. Sleep. My cat Mittens loves to sleep. That. Sue knows that Bob has a turtle. White. Bob's car is white. 2. I have 2 kittens. Well, that was fun. Learning is always fun. Safe learning place. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel.